Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the first half of October 2024. The 4th and 5th of October 2024, MS University Intercollegiate Badminton Tournament. At the Manonminim Sundaranar University Intercollegiate Badminton Tournament held at Pope's College, the badminton team of our college showcased their skills and secured the runner-up trophy. The 4th of October 2024, orientation on the transformative power of studying abroad. In an informative orientation for the teaching staff of the college, Mr. Prince Kumar, founder and managing director of edX Academy, shared his insights on opportunities for students to pursue their education at premier institutions in New Zealand, highlighting options for both partial and full assistance. The orientation was hosted by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of a college in collaboration with edX Academy, New Zealand. The 8th and 9th of October 2024, Intercollegiate Chess Tournament. In the Intercollegiate Chess Tournament held at Nazareth Margosius College, Nazareth, the chess team of our college won the 3rd prize. The 10th of October 2024, Shuttle Free Day. The Eco Club of our college organized a Shuttle Free Day on the campus. All owners of 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers and 4-wheelers parked their vehicles at destination outside the college gate, participated in a rally carrying placards and walked their way to the college in order to stress the importance of healthy eco-conscious living that is free from pollution and all ills. The 12th of October 2024, Parents-Teachers Association meet. In the Parents-Teachers Association meeting held at our college premises, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, elaborated and updated the parents about measures taken by the college to provide a favorable learning environment for the students. In her address, Dr. Jimsi Asha, the IQAC director of the college, clarified the functioning of IQAC and its role in ensuring quality enhancement through continuous assessment and improvement. She also emphasized the importance of ranking and its impact on students and parents. The meeting drew to a close after the selection of the board members of the association and interaction between parents and the administrators of the college. The 15th of October 2024, Crosslinks 2024. The annual literary extravaganza Crosslinks was inaugurated by Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college. After the inauguration, on-stage and off-stage competitions like literary song, literary dance, strange meeting, literary quiz, literary parade, flash poem and literary painting were conducted on the theme of Eco Chronicles. The overall trophy of Crosslinks 2024 was bagged by the students of SC Hindu College, Nagercoil. On the same day, the Crossing Center for Research and Development, in association with the Department of Commerce, conducted a virtual session on effective research grant proposal writing, in which the resource person, Dr. D. Rajajaba Singh, Associate Professor and former Vice Principal of St. Joseph's College of Commerce, Bangalore, delivered an insightful lecture covering the crucial aspects of research grant proposal writing, ways of identifying funding agencies, techniques of drafting objectives, budget allocation, offered tips for submission of the proposal, and clarified the queries of the participants. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.